Hello students of class 8, let's revise the chapter through the video and let us go for and prepare for the exam. Students, keep on reading, keep on revising things so that you can remember the facts and the names and the dates. If you do not revise and do not keep reading, it will take you backwards. Okay, so day before yesterday one student asked me what is the meaning of CE. So I suppose you know what do you mean by CE. CE means common era. CE means common era. This is used instead of AD. Earlier we were using AD, Anno Domini. So some books you will see AD, Anno Domini, and in some books, recent books, new books have printed this CE, Common Era. Okay, so CE means Common Era. Today I would like to talk about the period between 1705 to 1757. This year was very important. 1705 to 1757. This was called formative years of British rule. Formative years of British rule means during this period British were establishing themselves in India. They were trying to form themselves in India. So it is important to understand. And during this period 1707 to, earlier I thought I had written 1705, not 1705, this is 1707 and to 1757. This is the correct date. These dates are very important. These years are very important. During this time British were able to establish themselves in India, and this time saw the decline of Mughal Empire, and the Mughal Empire slowly started declining, and many new powers came, new kingdoms came, and they called themselves Nawabs or kings of the area, like Bengal, Hyderabad, Awadh, Marathas. All these places were under Mughals, but slowly they rise to the power when the Mughals were not able to rule properly or integrate these places, consolidate these places. Consolidate means bring together and rule. So all these places, the new people, the powerful people, the kings and the Nawabs came up and declared themselves as kings. And also we see how these people have, British have come up slowly, and we see the transition here. Transition means, what do you mean? Transition from Mughal India to British India. In the beginning it was Mughal India. When the British came, it was Mughal India. Mughals were the kings in India, but slowly that became British India, and people could not realize, and that was almost 190 years. 190 years. Within this time, 190 years, people have seen lot of changes. 1757 to 1947. 1947. 190 years. So in the next video we will see what kind of changes took place and what was the effect of the change.